world record holder, 376 miles an hour. And so when Hayden gets position, he's going to do a 376 tribute. He'll do some burner pumps. He'll do some smoke. So there you have it, folks. 376 brought back to the Cleveland National Airshow. And right now, Hayden's going to get himself turned around. He's going to go back down to show left. He's going to set up for the race. Now, one of the things that we'll tell you about the last driver of Shockwave, his name was Chris Darnell. One of my best friends, traveled this air show circuit with him for the last 16 years. And the hashtag Live Like Chris came out of all of this because he lived every day to the fullest, loved this country, loved being in front of air show fans like you. And Hayden is very touched that Neil Darnell, Chris's father, asked him to come and to represent the family this weekend. So now it's almost race time. Said, well, you know what? I'm gonna drive the jet truck. I'm gonna
It's a jet truck too.
So you start wherever you need to start.
The flames up the top.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hold Hayden to his word.
Did they literally just tape one to the back?
Pretty much.
So high.
We'll get
I think this is like
Hayden all the way down to the end of here, get him turned around. His crew chief will go through and make sure that everything on the truck is ready to go. And we will have ourselves a race.
They're gonna race towards us.
Now Greg has to turn that altitude into airspeed.
Can you see the truck? Here it comes.
The stacks are lit. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the race. Let's see if Greg can beat Hot Streak 2. He's got the decathlon, just about all the juice he can squeeze out of the decathlon right
Letting the
there.
airplane go first.
The airplane goes first. They give him a big lead. But he's not going to let him win. He's coming full burner. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. For the finish line. Hayden Robin, Hot Streak 2, the winner of this morning's race. Now, at lunchtime, there may be a little discussion amongst the pilots about whether or not, Chris, whether or not Hayden started in the right spot or if Greg was too far uphill. And so we may have another race later on today. But folks, I got to tell you, it's been an honor, and we appreciate you all being a part of it. And Danny, it's back to you, sir.
Thank you, Dave Armstead. Thank you for that. Thank you so much.